management consultant, specialized in legal advice on various labor laws since 25 years. We give advice to the management on various labor laws by going into grassroots level to solve the problems. We take care of your needs by visiting to your organization. We give you efficient, prompt and time-bounded services. Make registrations under the following acts: Factories Act 1948, BSI Act 1948, PF and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952, Contract Labor R&A Act 1970, Professional Tax Act, Maharashtra Pollution Control Board, Shops and Establishment Act, Companies Act 1956, SSI Registrations, Sales Tax and Service Tax Act, Assisting in maintenance of documents and registers, submission of periodical returns as per provisions of various labor laws. Applicability of the Acts. 1. The Factories Act 1948. 10 numbers or more with the aid of power manufacturing process. 20 numbers or more without aid of power manufacturing process. BSI Act 1948. For manufacturing companies, total employees more than 10 numbers and total salary less than Rs.15,000 per month. PF and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952. For manufacturing and commercial establishment, total employees more than 20 numbers and basic salary plus VA less than Rs.6,500 per month. Contract Labor R&A Act 1970. For manufacturing and commercial establishment, total contract employees more than 10 numbers per contractor, total contract employees more than 20 numbers. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 10 numbers. Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 10 numbers. Payment of Minimum Wages Act 1948. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than one number. Payment of Wages Act 1936. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than one number. The Maternity Benefit Act 1961. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 10 numbers. The Minimum House Rent Allowance 1983. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 50 numbers. The Maharashtra Labour Welfare Fund Act 1953. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 5 and numbers. The Maharashtra The Employment Exchanges Compulsory Notification of Vacancies Act 1959. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 25 numbers. The Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act 1946. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than 50 numbers. The Trade Union Act 1926. Minimum 7 number or 10% of total strength of employees. The Shops and Establishment Act 1948. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than one number. The Industrial Disputes Act 1947. For any manufacturing. The Professional Tax Act. For manufacturing and commercial guest, total employees more than one number. PCB Act. For any manufacturing company. Workmen's Compensation Act 1923. Employees not covered under ESI Act. MRTU and Pulp Act. For every manufacturing and commercial guest for whom we work only for the management of the company as their management consultant. We are strong in solving the labor problems. cost saving of the employers by reducing the nuisance value of government and other services. Contractual services. We undertake contractual services for the companies of their employees. Training programs, various management subjects. Placement services, for only white-collar job employees. HR statutory compliance audit on various labor laws. Liaising with GOVT authorities on behalf of client. Our professional charges sometime charges for the registrations that are $5,000 per case plus service tax. Professional charges. Rs.3,000 to Rs.10,000 per month depends upon the strength of employees and scope of work plus service tax. Contractual services. Supervision charges at 10% of total wage bill plus service tax. Placement charges. 1 month salary from the employer. List of our clients. List of builders. Good referrals manufacturing companies, IT and software industries, corporate hotels, hospitals, BPO companies, builders, facility services companies and big contractors. Add referral small companies having strength less than 20 numbers or contacts.